What's the meaning of benzene? Benzene. Benzene.
Benzene. Benzene. Benzene is a colorless and highly flammable organic compound that consists of 6 carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal ring, with each carbon atom also having a single hydrogen atom attached. It was first isolated in 1825, and since then, it has become one of the most important building blocks in the chemical industry. Benzene is used as a starting material for the production of a wide range of chemicals, including plastics, synthetic fibers, paints, resins, rubber, detergents, pharmaceuticals, and many others. Despite its widespread use, benzene is toxic and carcinogenic, and exposure to high levels of benzene can lead to serious health problems, including cancer and leukemia.